Right here we got a 2010 Kenworth T800. It's got a 26-foot box on it. Cummins ISM, 330 horsepower, 10-speed transmission. Truck's in very good shape. Almost no body damage to the truck. Little bit of scrapes, but nothing too visible. It's nothing's too big of an eyesore. Frame down here is very clean. Got a little bit of surface rust around the bolts, but nothing major. This truck does have auto chains. If you're going to be in a place with snow, it's got a 12,000 pound front, 21,000 pound rear axle, spring suspension, air ride suspension, decent tires on it. It's got placards if you have to haul chemicals. This also has a rail lift gate on it. That lift gate has a 5,500 pound capacity. Again, truck itself's in very good shape. Got the lights on. I don't see any lights out. All the lights seem to be working on it. Don't hear any ear leaks. This truck was owned by MHC Leasing. They take very good care of their trucks. Maintained by the dealership since birth. LE arc bumper. Again, all the lights seem to be working. Get in here and get a shot of the engine. Very clean. Don't see any signs of oil or oil residual on any of it. Windshield's nice, no cracks. Again, no signs of oil. Got plenty of brake left. Passenger side of engine, very clean. Okay, we're going to enter the cab. Got 2 steps here with the side handle. Plenty of options for your air ride seat. Seats are in very good shape. Cab's in very good shape. Truck started right up. Didn't have weak batteries or anything. No air leaks, no oil leaks. This truck's in very good shape. That's what hits me when I first look at this truck was how clean it was. Give us a call today, MHC Kenworth, Denver.